The project I want to tell you a little bit about is the northern white rhino. It lived in Africa in large herds, and it has been hunted to what is effectively extinction. There are 2 northern white rhinos left right now in the world. So I have pluripotent stem cells. You can make them from the skin of a person. It turns out you can make them from the skin of a northern white rhino as well. And remarkably, right up the street from me is the San Diego Wild Animal Park, also known as the Safari Park, where there is something called the Frozen Zoo. So that means that there is a huge collection of animals, some of which are extinct, who exist only as cells that are frozen in a freezer at the San Diego Wild Animal Park. And so when my colleagues at the zoo heard about the fact that you could reprogram skin cells into pluripotent stem cells and make everything in the body, we started talking about how we would give it a try. We would see whether we could reprogram cells that they had in the zoo. So the next step was to look into the frozen zoo and see how many other rhinos were represented there. And the answer is 12. Our goal is to make sperm and eggs from these different animals, to combine them in vitro fertilization, just like you would with a human, generate an embryo, just like you would with a human, and then transplant that embryo to a surrogate mother. So I like to call this Jurassic Park without the scary parts, because we're actually trying to bring back an animal that is extinct because of us.